for this one.
Three of us.
We have to.
You have to. It's accents. Accents.
Oi, governor, what's up?
British.
Oi! Oi!
I have a big penis.
Oi!
What? What does that even mean?
Get that. Pass.
Oi!
No, you're not gonna get that. Get it. Well, he won't. Okay, I don't know that one. I can't do that one.
Oh damn it! I was gonna do it.
Hey, nibbity nibbity neighbor.
It's
Giggly giggly day.
Mr. Rogers. That's Ned Flanders.
There you go.
Oh shit!
That was easy.
Oh.
Beta. 99999.
Russian, German.
Yeah, German. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is either. Skip it. Oh my god. Hi, my precious.
It's Smeagol.
Oh wait, is it the wrong thing?
Oh, what is his name? Smeagol.
Oh, wait, I'm thinking the wrong. I need a sock.
I can't remember what this. A Gollum.
Yeah.
Valley Girl. Was it Valley Girl?